Hello friends, my name is Sapna and I welcome you all again to my channel TSOFL. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very important topic here, which is how important is German language or how important it is to have some prior knowledge of German when one plans to go to Germany. Friends, this is one question which I often get to hear from my students, that is it mandatory to learn German before going to Germany, or if we want to study in Germany, is it important for us to learn German? Here I would say that this is not mandatory for you to learn German in case you get admission in any of the English taught courses. But when I say it's not mandatory, that doesn't mean that it's not important. It's really important to have at least some prior knowledge of German. Point number one, adjustment and settlement. See students, you have to understand, if you are going to get admission in Germany in some English taught course, then this is not mandatory for you to learn German, but the fact is that you are not going to spend your whole time in those four walls of your classroom where you are being taught in English language. You have to step out of it and you have to interact with the people around. You have to deal with day-to-day situations. For example, you have to go to supermarkets, to the Kaufhaus, the shopping malls. You have to understand the railway announcements, which is very important. You will feel yourself completely lost if you don't have any knowledge of German. And then staying in a new country and having a new stress of learning a language is a little bit difficult to handle. When you want to make yourself comfortable in a new country, you need to have more and more of exposure. And how would you get that? For that, you need to socialize with people. For socialization, communication is very important. And for that, you need to speak German language. I won't say that you need to be all pro in the language, but at least some knowledge of German would help. For example, it would help you to make new friends. It would help you to get gel up well in new groups. And then, of course, you learn a lot when you get into that kind of environment. See, students, there are a lot more population which do speak English over there, but then in bigger cities like Munich, Hamburg, Stuttgart, Frankfurt. But what? Do you want to restrict yourself in that kind of that number of cities, or do you want to move out of it? So to have a wider exposure, you do need to speak German, and the Germans are also more comfortable when you speak in their language. They would be more comfortable with you interacting if you speak in their language. So it's a plus point for you at the end of the day. When you learn a new language, it's just not the verbal communication you're learning. It's not that you would be able to communicate well in that language. That's it. No. When you learn a new language, you get to know about the culture of the country. And this is very important. Your stay is not going to be a short span. It's going to be a good number of years. You need to understand the culture of the country. You need to know what are the good do's and don'ts to be done in that country. So definitely I would suggest you to learn language before going to Germany. Students' prior knowledge of German language would definitely widen your career prospects. If you're studying there and you want to procure a part-time job for yourself, you already know that there is no shortage of jobs in Germany, even if you want to work part-time or on full-time basis. But then, of course, a person who already knows German and tries to fetch a part-time job for himself while studying has more brighter chances as compared to the person who doesn't know German at all. They would prefer the person who knows the language already. And at the end of the day, once you're done with your studies, your purpose would be to fetch a job for yourself. To have a fluent capability of speak German language would definitely give you an upper hand for the same. Learning German in India is going to be more cost effective if you compare it with Germany. If you get this information that you go to Germany, you get English taught courses and then you can learn it there. Yes, you can learn it over there, but then students get ready to spend at least 4 to 5 lakhs from your pocket to learn German. And if you learn it here in India, that would not cost you more than 1 lakh. That is the maximum I'm telling you. So you can well compare the difference in price. Second point, and very valid point, when you learn a foreign language here in India, you are more at ease because, for example, when I teach my students, I teach them German with help of other subordinate languages. Like, for example, I teach them with the help of English, with Punjabi or with any other regional language, they are more comfortable learning. But then when you go to Germany, the teacher who's going to teach you German would speak German. So German in German you have to learn. There would not be any other subordinate language, and that might hamper your learning ability. Friends, there are three scenarios. First, you're going to Germany on tourist visa. Then you don't need to know much of German because definitely you're going to stay there for a short span of time. Point number two, if you're going on student visa, if you're going to study over there, then definitely you need to know at least some German to survive, which I already discussed with you. Point number three, if you're going on work visa, now you get work visa for 6 months and you know that Germany has ample job opportunities. Friends, if you go there and then start learning a new language, then your 6 months would be readily absorbed. You won't even come to know that when these 6 months are over, when would you try to fetch a job for yourself? So it is advisable, I would suggest, with my experience and the feedback I get from my students who are already there in Germany, I would suggest you that make strong grounds for yourself. Learn the language here in India. You don't need to do all the levels. You don't need to be pro in that, but at least have some basic knowledge of the language. Make yourself comfortable, more confident, and start your journey in the new country. Friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it informative. If you like it, you can subscribe to our channel or click on the bell icon for instant notifications. And in case you have any queries, you can have our details from our description link. Thank you very much.